Okay, Chase, how was it? How was backing it up?
Easy. I've never done nothing like this before.
Great job. Look at that. Right next to its little brother. This is it. Here's the Airstream. We got it pulled into its spot. Here, let me try and focus on it. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, we have a 56 Overlander, 26 foot, single axle. And we have one of the lifts ready to go. We obviously have another, I think that's a 57 bubble on that, but we're gonna get another lift built, put it in up top. We got a couple spots that we can hook it inside, and we'll do a complete frame off restoration. So excited to get this started.